Wagwan apples, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making some soap. In this soap I have turmeric, oatmeal, lavender, and of course my essential oils. So I'll be showing you all the items you need. You'll need a mixing bowl of course, and this I use just to melt the soap. Thank you for coming back. Don't forget to subscribe, turn that notification bell on, like, comment. Of course, the soap mold, I have this in the purple and I also have a pink one. But in the description box, I'll leave different options because you have the ones that look like an ice tray. I'll leave that one as well. The soap box, and on this I'm just going to write the name of the soap. A scale, of course, just to make sure everything is accurate. Some turmeric powder, and I'll leave the recipe for this soap in the description box, as well as a link to get everything in this video, so make sure you check out the description box. Some passion fruit essential oils, and funny thing about this, I didn't get to add it in the soap itself, but I had to pour it on top. It still worked. Some good old oatmeal, measuring spoon, a soap cutter. Now I have two of these. I have the regular cut, like no waves, and I have this one with the curls. So I like this. So right here I have some coconut milk soap base, and I'm going to use a curly soap cutter to cut this up in some smaller pieces so the melting process of this soap base will be easier. However, this is probably the most tedious part of the project because it does take a while to melt, and it is tricky to work with because even when it melts, it's like hardening back up on you, so you have to stand over it and kind of like really monitor it and mix it in so that nothing starts to settle. Now I did this on a stove top, so I put the smaller pieces in a bowl and I did it on top of the stove. I didn't get to show that part because you have to work so fast with this, and I wasn't in my kitchen. So by the time I get to where I'm filming, it started to form a little, you have to really work fast with this.
Maybe when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel light. You make me feel light.
This is a bowl I let it melt down in, and as you can see, that's how fine I cut it up. It did take a good while, like more than an hour to melt.
You made me feel where you at? Tell me, Shensia, like you want me hit the spinning like a damn car drive.
So while the soap was melting, I did take this advantage to measure the stuff out so it would be easier. So I went ahead and measured out my sweet almond oil, like my turmeric, my oatmeal. You don't have to measure the oatmeal and the lavender though, because those are like decorations, even though you will be getting the benefits from them.
Yeah, endless loving and it can expire. I won't say church and never answer prayer.
So as you can see right here, you see that the soap was settling on the top right here. You have to work so fast. So I mixed it around, and then I poured my sweet almond oil in, after which I added.
You know, say you got the loving for me body when you hold me, and if you call me, we come. Baby, me now let you go. Love is like a seed that you reap what you sow. Oh, baby, when the bright light.
Right now, I went ahead and just pour my turmeric in and wish it around. Like, you have to work so fast, guys.
Start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You made me feel light. You made me feel light.
Now it's time to add it to the soap mold, and then add the oatmeal on the first layer. You'll see you have to move your hand really fast as this really catch up on me. So you'll see as I go along. Work with a beaker that has a spout at the top, so it's easier to pour it into your molds and stuff, versus this. You'll see that some spilled on the top and run down on the side, so you don't want that.
You made me feel, give me the fire, beg you, bring that come. Me need you like a home, you need my lungs. Turn up the pressure, make the thing get dumb. And when you blaze it up, you know me not run. It bad, bad like it's against the law. Light up, bright up, yes it I me want. Me palm my skin, you full of crap, and my body she a crap. So me tell you raw. Baby, when the bright lights start to fade,
Now I'm just adding some lavender flowers.
fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You made me feel like
This is the next day and I unmold it and now I'm ready to cut it up. So this is what you'll see, then I'll package it.
you made me feel like you made me feel. Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You made me feel like you made me feel like you made me feel. Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the wind. You made me feel
So as you can see, that's how it looks in the end and packaged. Excuse my jagged writing. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and until my next video guys.